Hello guys, we are excited to introduce the Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer, now part of our professional styling arsenal. This hair dryer is designed with salon-grade technology and it protects the hair from extreme heat while drying faster and leaving it shinier and smoother. It's ultra-light, ultra-quiet, and built for ultimate control, whether it's a blowout, slick finish, or volume that lasts all day. We choose Dyson because we care about the health of your hair, and the results speak for themselves. Come experience the difference at your style beauty salon. See you soon!